My name is Brad Gordon. I've been blowing glass for just about 15 years. So I'm making this goblet for Gary V. With me making these goblets at the same time is kind of consuming his content. I need to make a good put. Really made me want to go in and make a set of goblets to thank him for all the content that he shared and that I've consumed. I'm hoping to send 2 goblets, 1 set to Gary, and it'll take me approximately 3 to 4 days to complete the set. I'm just getting it hot enough to manipulate it just to get it straight right now. And then it's going to expand with the air pressure, like the red versus the white, and there's a cup shape for that. So they are more of like, in my opinion, as the maker of it, right? They're more of like a collector's item for the display cabinet. I like to use a nice soft flame, take my time and heat the vessel up. It gives a more even heat base. The foot is kind of based on the size of the cup, and then the stem has to be in proportion to everything else as well. So that's why I like to make a few parts for even if I'm just making 1 goblet, I like to make a few parts and choose the best ones. Try to go bigger with it, you run the risk of it wanting to get wonky on you. I think it's kind of rare because it's become my career. I started doing this for fun. Made it my career, but I don't get to spend as much time making projects for fun as I'd like to. Cut it open. I'll cut it open. This is definitely not the traditional way to make goblets, but I use the tools that I have available to me to make traditional goblets. In between the 2 sections, so I'll just add a little bit of color with the Maria or an Ovolio or whatever you want to call it on a goblet, and then I'll be able to connect the stem, the part that I shaped, to that. I have never been taught any of this caveat. They don't all make it. Just come. I'm gonna put the green part here, so that's where it will connect to the stem, the like sculpted stem, and then I'll flare it open into the foot, a nice flat foot, hopefully. So traditionally you want to see like the foot be like as big as the apex of the cup. Okay. I guess is what I've heard before. It's easy to slap together a foot, a stem, and a cup. It's hard to make it look good. So this one's wonky. You see how that's where we'll cut it at. I'm just gonna take these off a little bit and make them at a nice angle to where it'll look like aesthetically pleasing, I guess. And then leave enough room to put a little green bridge here and have the cup. Somewhat straight. Woo, doggy. You don't get the real, like, overall aesthetics of it until you cut the top off, which is one of the last steps, you know? That was the easy part. Now we gotta try to figure out how we're gonna get that to Gary. So if anyone has any help, let us know. We gotta get this to him.